Katun ka proposal kabangipa. Kam siyam la ay ngi kajinghon. Di ha kani ka CC kabangi. Dang sudah pisong. Nim siyam la ya kaban. Ban ay kadono karay ha kani ka janmi. Kajing kerpat kalang bangin yo ya kaban isong CC meeting biang na siya 10 baji. Ban pani ya kajing pom hon. Jong Nonghikai kibalay absitom kibalay tiamit. Tem na kensho ya kajing sya sitom. Nadu aru Frederick. Disaisin kerpat ya ki Nonghikai ki Jong bangin haban sa. Tatadu lai syai, tatui baji, 10 baji ni don biang kasi si meeting. Namar kani kajing vote jong ka sarkar cabinet meeting. Kalong insulted.
Yes, sir.
Ya kay kabangi equivalency. Tingi kerpat ya ki Nonghikai bakin sobha. Pan ya siya. Kay kabangin yo pan examine mangiru nam ta kani karay jong cabinet.
With regards to the decision that was taken by the cabinet meeting today, it is very clear that not even a single teacher who is present here is happy.
Yes, sir.
We feel insulted for how the government has chose to take this blatant decision without taking us into consideration. We have met with different officers, with different cabinet ministers, and in all those meetings we have asked again and again about what this upgraded proposal that was being sent by the education department through Sir D.P. Walang looks like. However, when we got the news today, we are thoroughly disappointed. If we go back to the earlier years, every time that the government takes a decision on the salary of the teachers, it will always take the leaders into confidence, and it will be the leaders first who will know how much we get, and then the press will come to know. But now we do not know how much we are getting, but we get the news from the press. This is not how a democracy works. This is not how a democracy looks like. This is not what democracy should be. Whether we should take what the government has given us, or whether we should not take. When we met with all of these officers from the government and the ministers, we let it know to them that we want the same enhancement for the LP, UP, secondary and higher secondary. Our proposal is for these 4 different categories of teachers, because these 4 different categories of teachers have been with us in the street for the last 3 months. We ask for the same salary enhancement. We know that there is a difference in qualifications, but still we seek for the same salary enhancement, because we know that the influx is too much. We know that the price of all these vegetables and all has gone up too much, and we want the same salary enhancement for these 4 categories. The other categories, we do not have a problem that the government has added the other categories. It's actually good, like we said. But we made it known to the government that these 4 different categories, that is the LP, UP, secondary and higher secondary, should get the same salary enhancement, which was 18,000.